Welcome back to Axel and Dad Simply Cooking. And this morning the kids said they wanted pizza. And we've done pizza a million times on this channel. But we're going to do a chicken bacon ranch pizza today. Perfect for game day, let me just tell you. So I got some chicken here. I've cut it up. I've marinated it in honey mustard and seasoned it in some powdered ranch. I got my pizza dough. It's currently rising right now. And once it is ready, we'll go ahead and prepare it. Getting ready for these playoff games. I don't know who you're going for. We all know who I'm going for. The Broncos. But we also know my quarterback broke his leg last night. So I got some bacon here.
We cut it and drop it. Okay, you're the cut maker and I'm the drop.
I'm gonna be honest, if I had pineapple, I would love to put some pineapple on this pizza. Y'all, when game day comes around or your kids say they want pizza, make the pizza.
Hey.
It's super cheap and easy to make. I'll have the link and ingredients listed below if you want to make your own pizza dough. Check out, I have a video that I've made simple, easy pizza dough. It's literally a video just showing you how to make pizza dough.
Hey, you're the cut. I'm
So we got our bacon, one side, and we're going to do our chicken. On the other side. And the lid. And we're going to let that cook on down. And we're going to get ready to make some pizza.
And there's a hole right there.
Are you excited about making pizza? The last time I made pizza, I made it on a sheet pan. And it turned out to be everybody's favorite.
But
like,
you
everybody's.
You supposed to get the circle thing.
You want me to make the circle one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a request for a circle and a request for a pan.
2 hours later.
Oh! Gonna mix that bacon and that chicken all around together. And y'all, look. When I tell you it's easy to make pizza dough, it takes you maybe 15 minutes to mix everything up. But I know, but we can only do one at a time. And I let it sit for an hour. And we have a big, huge pizza dough. And we're going to get it ready to get some dough.
I got my own pizza thing here. In a Play-Doh toy. So whatever I'm going to do with my pizza thing, when that is on, I'm going to put that on.
Once I get my pizza dough on my pan, I'm going to go ahead and pre-cook this for about 5 minutes. So now with this pizza, this is a chicken bacon ranch pizza. So our sauce is ranch.
I like ranch. When we went to Happy Meal, Mama got bowling and I tried. No, very good. Good.
Okay, tried ranch for the first time today. We got our mozzarella. We've been cutting it up. I already cut it up earlier.
I wouldn't even write that. I didn't even get my Play-Doh.
And these are going to go into an oven at 425 degrees, nice and hot. And just take our chicken with our bacon and we start spreading it out.
But I put everything on my pizza.
Wow, that looks good. I use white meat for my chicken breasts. I cut them up, cut them down real fine, brined them, marinated them, and got them just right for this today. Throw a little bit of cheddar up there.
And my pizza will be very good because I put everything on it.
All right, we're gonna have some oregano on top of this.
Oregano? What is oregano?
It's a seasoning. And a little bit of that Italian seasoning.
Now there's my pizza. Now look. Hey, I did it there.
And that looks fabulous.
Now the days keep slipping through my hands like sand I didn't know I had. Every laugh is borrowed, every moment flies. You don't see it coming till it's waving goodbye. Take my heart, don't break it. Take this moment, don't waste it. 'Cause
Yep.
these days don't stay, they just pass us by. Hold them close, don't trade it. Every second sacred. Blink once, it's gone.
Chicken Bacon Ranch pan pizza for the win. Any game day, this is gonna be a superstar game day pizza. Mainly, especially if your wife asks for it, you know it's gonna be a good day because she's gonna be happy. All right, y'all, Chicken Bacon Ranch pan pizza for that perfect game day win. It's incredibly hot, incredibly good. We're going to go enjoy the rest of our football day, eat our pizza, and just enjoy time together. Catch you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!
Graphs don't warn you.